So hey, welcome guys. Today we will see how we can implement banner ads in Android Studio. So let's get started without wasting our time. So what you have to do first is choose an empty activity, or otherwise you can choose your own project. So I will give name as ads test banner. So that's it, my name, and done. Finish. Click on finish. Then wait for it to load some things, because Android Studio takes too much time. It will take too much time, but on my PC is a decent PC, that's why it will not take too much time. So it's building the Gradle. Like you can see here, two processes are running. Wait for it to complete. So the Gradle sync has been finished. So here is our app, which is let me show you the layout of the app first. So this is it. It's a simple app, nothing is there, just a hello world. Let's delete it. So we are just placing banner ads below here. So what you have to do is go to activity main.xml. After that click on split here, or you can choose code also. I will choose split. First you have to delete this constraint layout and turn it into a relative layout. So I will type a relative layout and hit enter. So as you can see, it has been turned to relative layout. So what you have to do is now go to your add mob. So here is my add mob. Click on apps and add a new app. After adding, click on Android, and if it is listed you can select S. So my app name will be banner ads test. Okay, this is my app name. After that click on add app. So here we have to create an ad unit. So we will create a banner ad here. Click on banner and give it a name, anything, you can give it any name. I will create ad unit, and what you have to do is, this is your application ID and this is your banner app ID. So first click on the Google Mobile Ads SDK guide. So what you have to do is check whether your build.gradle file has got this or not. So we will go to Android Studio and we will go to build.gradle. Here Gradle scripts are there, click on that. After that choose build.gradle. So here you can see all the code is there already present, so we need not to copy paste it again. So again go to the Chrome. After that we have to paste this code in our build.gradle file. So copy this, go to the Android Studio and click on build.gradle, which is below it, second one. So what you have to do is paste your code which you have copied from the browser here. So I have pasted it. So that's it, and scroll down. Now we have to copy this metadata and paste it. So I will just copy it from here. Copy, and we have to paste it in our Android manifest.xml file. So we'll go to here and click on manifest, double click on it. So our manifest file is now open. So we have to paste it here. For that purpose, application, after application we have to paste it. So let's go here and search. Here is the application, we can paste it after this activity. So paste the code here, metadata code, and this is your app ID. So here this is our app ID, so we have to copy this and paste it in the app ID there. Just a second, now, and paste it. So I have replaced it with my application ID. After that, you have to do what you have to do: go to Chrome again, scroll down, and you can see here select and add format. So we are implementing banner ads, so click on banner ads. After that, scroll down, so you will get a code here. So what you have to do is copy this code. So let me copy this. So I have copied this and paste it in your activity. Just a second, main activity.xml. That's what you have to do is go to activity main.xml, where we have changed that layout to relative layout, and then what you have to do is paste this code here. So I am pasting it as of now. So after that, you have to go to again in AdMob, scroll down. So here you will get a code like this. So we have to copy this code from mobile ads till this brace bracket. So I will copy this, and we have to paste this file in our main file, which is our Java file. So here this is our Java file. So it says to paste it after set content view, means anything. If your code is different, then you can paste it somewhere else, but in this thing it is said to paste it after set content view. So here is set content view. I am going to paste it now. After pasting this, go to AdMob again and copy this private adview.m_adview and paste it over here. Just a second, where to place it? App compact activity. So we have to paste it here. After placing this, you have to click Alt plus Enter, and you have to just press Enter key. So the Gradle sync has been started here. So wait till it completes the Gradle sync. So as you can see, it's downloading some files here. So wait until it's downloaded and it's completely built. After doing that, when you come to the activity main file, you can now see here are the ads by Google. It has came automatically, and here you can see ads unit ID. So what you have to do is replace the ads unit ID. So this is our banner ID. Click on copy, and simply what you have to do is you have to paste this here. So that's all, and then your ads will play. And there is an important note: for the ads for being played on your app needs to be on the Play Store, otherwise it will not show ads. Otherwise you can just try with the test IDs given by Google, and while you are testing the app, be sure to use it with the test ID here as well as the app ID. So as you can see on my right side of the screen, I have my mobile screen there, and as you can see at the bottom there is test ads playing. So that's all it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like our video, and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and free source code and Android Studio. Thank you.